So yesterday, the AP had a very interesting article that I thought would be a good question to ask people of TikTok. The topic is law enforcement officers, specifically ICE agents, wearing masks. People who are in favor of it, people who are against it, and the various reasons why. So I'm going to show you what was said in the article, and then I want to ask you a question about it. Kind of like an unscientific poll. So the acting ICE director, Todd Lyons, said this: "I'm sorry if people are offended by them wearing masks, but I'm not going to let my officers and agents go out there and put their lives on the line, their family on the line, because people don't like what immigration enforcement is." Obviously referring to their families because of the risk that doxing poses to not just the law enforcement officers, but their families as well. The AP article goes on to say, there's pushback as expected. Democrats and others, including the several state attorneys general, have pushed back, saying the use of face masks generates public fear and should be halted. In a letter to Lyons, acting director of ICE, a group of Democratic senators said the stepped-up immigration enforcement in workplaces, restaurants, and other sites were already causing dismay, and the increasingly common sight of masked agents, quote, represents a clear attempt to compound that fear and chaos, and to avoid accountability for agents' actions. So here's my question. What do you think? Should law enforcement agents, specifically ICE agents, be able to wear masks to conceal their identity? Or is the risk of doxing and the consequences of that so great that you can understand why they should wear masks? Also, just to play a little devil's advocate, law enforcement officers and ICE agents, usually, but as we're seeing now, certainly not always, usually have identifying attributes on their uniform, a badge with a badge ID number or a serial number, their last name displayed somewhere on their uniform. So is doxing really a legitimate argument in favor of the masks? We should be already able to identify them by their badge number and their last name. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.